Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's video in which we're going to explore train disasters. We're bringing you the heart-stopping footages of 5 catastrophic train crashes that were all captured on camera. Stay tuned as we recount these unforgettable moments of chaos and heroism. These are the top 5 jaw-dropping train crashes caught on camera. At number 5, we have the train derailment in Spain. In 2013, a terrible incident unfolded in Santiago de Compostela, Spain. The city is known for its historic pilgrimage route, but on this unlucky day, it became the backdrop for a horrifying train derailment. As the video footage emerged on the internet, the shocking scene played out before our eyes. A high-speed train, operated by Renfe, raced into a sharp bend with a thunderous roar. The passengers on board had no idea that their lives were about to change forever. With a deafening crash, the train traversed off the tracks, smashing into the walls as the carriages jolted and the engine overturned. The impact was so powerful that one carriage soared through the air, defying gravity, before crashing down on the other side of a towering concrete barrier. Chaos ensued as emergency workers arrived at the scene, desperately searching for survivors amidst the wreckage. It was a race against time to save lives and bring solace to those affected by the tragedy. As the dust settled, the devastating toll became clear. At least 80 lives were lost and over 100 people suffered injuries. The train's driver, Francisco Jose Garzon, found himself in custody, his silence fueling speculation about the cause of the accident. The nation mourned as the veil of shock and sadness descended upon Santiago de Compostela. At number 2, we have the train collision in India. In November 2016, the Indore Patna Express, a train in India, experienced a devastating tragedy near Bhuk Rayan, resulting in the deaths of around 150 passengers and injuries to another 150. The incident occurred in the early hours of the morning when the train derailed, causing significant damage to sleeper class coaches S1 and S2, which were thrown off the tracks. Passengers were trapped inside the wreckage, necessitating the use of heavy machinery for the rescue. Multiple organizations, including the Indian Army, the National Disaster Response Force, and teams of doctors and local police swiftly responded to the accident. They all worked together to extract trapped passengers and provide medical assistance to the injured. Rail mobile medical units were deployed to the site to offer immediate aid. Indian Railways also issued helpline numbers to support and guide those affected by the tragedy. The news of the derailment reached the highest levels of government, leading to the Indian Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, to express his condolences and deep anguish over the loss of lives. The Rail Minister, Suresh Prabhu, promised to take strict actions against those responsible for the accident. At number 3, we have the train crash at Hoboken Terminal. In an incident that unfolded September 29, 2016, a New Jersey transit commuter train crashed at Hoboken Terminal, one of the busiest transportation hubs in the New York metropolitan area. During the morning rush hour, the train went through the platform and barreled into the station, causing significant damage and leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. The scene, captured by surveillance cameras, portrays the sheer force of the impact, as the train's momentum here carries it beyond the bumper block and through the rail concourse, only coming to a halt just before the waiting area. The chilling footage serves as a vivid reminder of the chaos and destruction that can result from a train accident. The consequences of the crash were tragic, with one person losing their life and 114 others sustaining injuries. Among the injured was the train operator, who was in the cab car at the time of the collision. Witnesses described the train's approach as relentless, with no signs of slowing down as it entered the terminal. Further investigations revealed that the train involved in the crash did not have an automatic brake system using positive train control, PTC, which could have potentially mitigated the severity of the accident by automatically slowing down the train in case of the engineer failing to apply the brakes on time. The incident sparked concerns about the importance of implementing and enforcing safety measures, such as PTC, to prevent similar accidents in the future. The absence of PTC on the train raised concerns and questions about whether its presence could have averted the crash altogether. As the shattered remains of the train and the injured victims were attended to, the crash at Hoboken Terminal served as a solemn reminder of the vulnerability of human life in the face of transportation mishaps. It prompted authorities to reevaluate safety protocols and highlighted the pressing need of continuous efforts to ensure the well-being of commuters and the security of railway transportation infrastructure. At number 4, we have the train derailment in Taiwan. Let's travel back to a fateful day in 2018 when tragedy struck in Yunnan County, Taiwan. The serene landscape was shattered as a Puma Express train carrying 366 passengers from Shuling to Taitung derailed on a treacherous curve near Zinma Station. The horrifying moment was captured by multiple cameras, including onboard footage, revealing the train toppling over and colliding in a chilling W shape. Tilted at a harrowing 75-degree angle bore the brunt of the impact, resulting in a significant loss of life. The incident stands as a stark reminder of the unpredictability of accidents and the devastating consequences they can bring. In the aftermath of the derailment, emergency services swiftly mobilized to the scene. Hundreds of medics, firefighters, and 100 soldiers responded to the call, working tirelessly to rescue and provide aid to the victims. The community rallied together, united in their efforts to alleviate the suffering caused by the disaster. As the hours passed, all passengers, including the deceased, were painstakingly evacuated from the wreckage. The train derailment in Yunnan County was a profound blow to Taiwan, ranking as the worst train accident in the country since 1991. The incident claimed the lives of at least 18 people, with another 187 individuals sustaining injuries. Among the victims were 6 young individuals, highlighting the devastating impact on families and the broader community. The profound loss and extensive injuries underscore the importance of ongoing efforts to prioritize safety and prevent such accidents from reoccurring. At number 5, we have the train collision in Buenos Aires. In 2013, a devastating train collision shook the city of Buenos Aires, Argentina. The shocking moment was captured on security cameras, revealing the sheer force of the impact and the subsequent wreckage. The scene was one of chaos and destruction, with shattered windows and mangled metal. Tragically, the collision resulted in multiple fatalities and injuries. In the aftermath of the collision, rescue workers in Argentina swiftly responded to the scene on the outskirts of Buenos Aires. A double-deck train had slammed into another train that had come to a stop between stations during the morning commute. Firefighters and police worked tirelessly to extract passengers from the twisted wreckage. Helicopters were deployed to transport the injured to nearby hospitals. While train operator spokesman Pablo Gunning confirmed the presence of, quote, various fatalities, the exact number was not specified. Union leader Ruben Sobrero provided additional insight, revealing that the train involved in the collision had been out of service for 6 months before being put back in operation shortly before the accident. Gunning mentioned that the engine had new brakes installed. This devastating incident occurred in the Sarmiento line, which had previously experienced a tragic wreck resulting in 51 deaths and 700 injuries due to brake failures. And there you have it, dear viewers. Let these shocking moments be a call to action, urging us all to prioritize the well-being of passengers and the continued survey of railway infrastructure. Stay safe, everyone. Until next time.